Hello, welcome back to the channel. Right now we're currently out in front of Goodwill outlets. I'm dolo by myself today. My wife usually comes with me, so it's just me today. She's not feeling that good, so my mission is to see how much shoes I can get. I'm gonna mostly be hanging out in the shoe section. That's not shoe section, the hard section, which is where I find the shoes, and see how much we can get. So if I could find like 10 pairs of shoes, 10 to 15, that would be a great day. But with it being the Goodwill outlets, it's definitely hit and miss, so we'll see what we can get. Pretty dead right now. I got about, I don't know how much I got, but I think I got about 17 pairs of shoes, a little bit of clothes, some of the lighter items, lighter t-shirts. I checked clothes a little bit, but not for too long, but I got about 17 pairs of shoes right now, which is pretty good, but it's dead, and they're not bringing out the carts that fast. I think I've been here for about an hour and 40 minutes. I'll show you guys how dead it is. baby, won't you meet me by the beam? It's too early, maybe later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City, blow me kisses. Oh, 50 degrees is way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Yeah, welcome back. Right now it's about 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock in the evening. Pretty tired. I spent about 3.5 hours at the bins. I left around like 1:40. Around 1:40, 2 o'clock, got there at 10. And right now, I'm upstairs in anyways, right now, I'm looking at some of the stuff I got. I spent $106. 55, about 60 pounds of shoes. Found a good amount of shoes. Found about maybe 30 pairs. It's pretty good. I'm trying to do 30 a week, and I found 30 in one go. That's pretty good. So let me show you guys real quick what it's looking at. I'm not doing a haul right now. I'm just showing you what I'm looking at right now. There. This is what we're looking at right now. Hold on a second. Yep, this is what we're looking at right now. About 2 bags of shoes. Here's some of the shoes that I'm looking at. We got a little scuffed up Dark Martens, but that's nothing. Not a little polish, can't take care of that one. Pair of Dark Martens over here. These Nikes, they're like, I think it's ACGs, no? No. Anyways, these Nikes go for about 35 to 40. Clean these up. Got a pair of hookahs. Nice pair of Vans. Got to clean these up at the bottom. Got a pair of Penguins. Not too shabby. Got a pair of New Balance over here. This nice pair of Timberlands. Got these. These are not bad because this type of leather is easy for me to clean up. Pair of New Balance. Got a pair of Bournes right here. You know, I got Keens. They've got a little pair of baby Jordans here. A little pair of baby Jordans. Gotta clean these up also. Like I said, all these have to be cleaned up. See, when you go to the bins, the quality is not the same, but you're getting quantity. Hopefully, if you could, you know, sift through it, restore some of these things, you'll make good money. I'm paying, what is it? I paid about $90 for the shoes, and I think I got 30 pairs here, so that's about $3 a pair. You can't beat that. Even if I sell each of these at $20 or something like that, some of them will go higher, some will go lower. This is a good brand right here. Traythorn. This is a nice pair of boots right here. Then you find some not so great, but it's just the style. This is a Fani. Doesn't sell well, but the style, this style sells, and they're in decent condition. So yeah, and I got this. Even though this is very beat, this is it has a lot of. This is like a Pennsylvania. Yeah, Pennsylvania Under Armour. It says Brotherly Loves, Keystone State, Pennsylvania. Even say, yes, which is a slang over here. Yeah, I mean, I just picked it up just because I thought it was nice. I mean, this is pretty beat, but this is pretty nice right here. So I picked that up. Even a pair of sandals, these fisherman sandals, because they're fisherman sandals. This is like Torn McCain, something like that. And but since they're fisherman sandals, I should still be able to get like 20 bucks for these. And when you're paying $3 a pair, it's not bad. Men's Keens, not bad. So overall, I'm happy with the haul. Spent only $106. If I went to Salvation, I only probably would get, you know, a lot less. So anyways, we're gonna wrap it up. Like, subscribe. Catch you guys next time. I'm out.